A very good evening. You're watching NewsX and I'm Shivani Singh. The top story that we are getting for you, WhatsApp has now stated to the Supreme Court that it will comply with the Competition Commission of India directions on data sharing controls. It further agreed to provide users greater control over sharing data with other Meta companies. Meanwhile, WhatsApp has also sought withdrawal of interim plea challenging National Company Law Appellate Tribunal order. The NCLAT had directed enforcement of CCI's user consent-based data sharing framework. Along with this bench, led by CJI Suryakant, has permitted WhatsApp and Meta to withdraw applications. WhatsApp has also decided not to press interim pleas seeking stay and the compliance with directions to be completed by March 16th. Let me in fact go across to my colleague Sambhav Sharma for more on this. Sambhav, if you can take us through the latest updates regarding this case of WhatsApp.
Well, the matter was before the bench led by the Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, and the submissions were made during the hearing on WhatsApp's appeal against that 213 crore penalty imposed by Competition Commission of India. And here the WhatsApp has said to the Supreme Court that it will implement the CCI's, the Competition Commission of India's data sharing directions for greater user control. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, in fact, appearing for WhatsApp, has informed the court that WhatsApp has also filed an affidavit explaining its data sharing practices and also will follow the NCLAT clarification directions. The WhatsApp has said that it will no longer press these interim applications seeking a stay on the Competition Commission of India's direction. And WhatsApp has said it has decided to comply with the directions by March 16th. Now, remember, this is important because on the last date of hearing in the Supreme Court, the top court bench led by the Chief Justice of India has slammed WhatsApp, questioned WhatsApp and its parent company Meta platforms over the data sharing practices, and also has said in an oral remark, the top court has said back then that if you cannot follow, fall in line with the constitution of this country, Constitution of India, then you better leave the country. So these were the oral remarks by the bench on the last date of hearing, and today the WhatsApp has in fact said that it told the Supreme Court that it will implement the CCI's data sharing directions for greater control. So, and if we talk about in detail about what exactly was this case, so this was the appeal by the WhatsApp against the order of the NCLAT, and the matter was before the bench led by the Chief Justice of India. And in 2024, if we talk about the backgrounder of this case, the CCI had imposed a penalty of 213 crore on WhatsApp and Meta for its anti-competitive practices, which is relating to WhatsApp's 2021 privacy policy. And the policy required users to accept data sharing as a condition for continued use of the platform, which was later into 2025. NCLAT partially upheld this order, concurring with CCI that the policy violates certain sections of the Competition Act 2002, which prohibits abuse of market dominance. And later on, the matter reached the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has, in a way, questioned WhatsApp over its data sharing practices and made certain observation oral remarks. And today, WhatsApp has said that it will implement the CCI's data sharing direction for greater user control. Now it is to be seen what
Sambhav,
is there in
thank
that
you so
particular.
much for all those updates on that front.